ng premium na napkin dun sa Watsons. At pala dinaanan natin.
Oh, sorry.
Ay, hindi sa Watsons ba yun? Or sa ano? Like,
Ikaw mauna. You're the star, bro.
Star. Halika na. Di ba sabi niya wag na kasi mag-grocery kami bukas?
Hindi, yung ano lang, panlaba. Tsaka grower. Mama, sa tayong bibili ng socks to.
Magkano to?
This is the evidence that it wasn't my idea.
Ew. Oh. Na.
There's other socks there. May madadaan pa tayong socks.
Hindi, ang Cookie Monster.
You don't want this.
Nice. Way too common.
You're way too common, though.
Look at you. Cute.
Eto.
Bro, it's like knitted socks. Well, kind of looks like knitted. Should we buy this? How much is it? 129. 109. 109.
Mama, she wants to buy.
Let's go back to bench. Bili tayo na socks. Nagpapag kasi yung ano ko yung